And we're back to Premiere Pro. Let me show you how you can add grain to your footage. This is typical film grain effect. Got a simple clip right here. I've put in my timeline and we need the effect controls and the effects. If you can't see that, go to Window, click on it. In effects, type in noise. Then you should find noise HLS. Let me drag and drop it here, and noise HLS auto. We go over both. Just check noise HLS without auto first. We switch to grain and I make it 10% so that you can see it properly. But usually you want to stay below 5%, something like this. Maybe even make it 15 and you can see it very clearly here. Keep the hue to 0 or it's going to get colored. And the saturation also, put it to 0. You can adjust the grain size right here and the noise phase. Let me go down with the size to 0.7 and the phase, let me just run it and then I adjust it so that we can compare it. So here's 0 degrees. And this entire grain is static. You can adjust it via the noise phase. But then it's going to stay with this new angle. Let me make this invisible and now I drag noise HLS auto onto my clip. It's now here. And again I make it grain in the drop down and use lightness 15% so that you can see properly. I go down with the grain size just a little bit. And if I play it now, it actually moves. So this is the difference between auto and the non-auto. When you use auto, the animation, the movement is already built in and you can adjust it via noise animation speed. And once again, if you really want to use this and apply it to a real live clip, it's a good idea to stay below 5%. In my case, I would go to around 3%. And then it's this typical film grain look. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.